Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm going to be showing you how you can make yourself a healthy breakfast in the morning. Alright, so what you want to do, I'm using healthy breakfast in the morning. I'm using some mango and passion fruit low fat yogurt. I'm using some low fat yogurt. So what you're going to do, you want to simply put a little bit of yogurt in the bottom of the bowl. I'm gonna give you a little secret which you guys can do at home. All right, now this is some seeds mix. Is all natural, different kind of seeds inside of it. So simple, just put a little bit of the seeds at the bottom of it, roughly about a teaspoon. Alright, then cut half of your banana. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see it for yourself, it's just amazing. Right here, guys, look at that beautiful one. So please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. We have a lot more recipes. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients right here. They are mighty and powerful ingredients to work with at home in your kitchen. Alright, apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon. Inside of the water. Fresh mint. I love my fresh mint. You guys can use fresh mint also. This is cucumber slices. Straight inside of it. Lemon is a must. Please try this one at home, guys. This is a fantastic recipe where I do it. I introduce it to you guys all the time to do this recipe at home. It's a fantastic recipe, honestly. So this one, if you are working on a night shift or early in the morning, you wake up, get 2 bottles of water and make this one. Alright, as you can see for yourself, it's not an easy recipe, yeah? I'm always making this kind of recipe, guys, honestly. As you can see for yourself, it's just amazing recipe right here with Chef Ricardo. Lovely, nice and simple. Look at the color and everything. So what you want to do, you want to leave this at least for about 5 to 6 hours. Make it, everything just dissolve into the water. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show, and that you can drink it also on a empty stomach or at night before you go to your bed, early in the morning. Drink it right straight through the day, no problem. You know what I mean? If you don't like the apple cider vinegar, you don't have to put the apple cider vinegar. You can put lemon or whatever you like mint, and just the cucumber. You can drink cucumber water. So fantastic recipe. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye, again and again. One more.